Hello everyone, welcome to this time expressions video. In this video, we are going to talk about indefinite adverbs of frequency. Okay, what are indefinite adverbs of frequency? Well, indefinite means the time is not exact, not detailed, and adverbs of frequency are words that describe how often we do something. Okay, so to help you understand, let's look at the list of adverbs of frequency. These are the most common. All right, so how often you do something. Let's go through the list. Of course, the top one is always. That means you always do something. Almost always, very close. Frequently, okay, you do it a lot. Usually, often, sometimes, okay? Sometimes is the middle. So sometimes you do something, sometimes you don't. Occasionally, seldom, rarely, okay? You don't do something very much. Almost never. And the last one, never. You never do something. Okay, so let's look at our question. This is the important question we want to answer. How often? How often do you? So how often do you do something? So let's make an example question. How often do you drink water? Okay, how often do you drink water? So someone asks you that question. How often do you drink water? Okay, so first you should think about which one of these describes how often you drink water. So there's actually three ways to answer this question. Now, I'm going to choose always. So the first way to answer, how often do you drink water? I would say always. Okay, very simple. You just say the adverb of frequency. How often do you drink water? Always. Okay, that's the easiest way. The second way, how often do you drink water? Okay, you would use a complete sentence, a full sentence. I always drink water. How often do you drink water? I always drink water. All right. And the last way, which is probably the most common way, is this one here. How often do you drink water? I always do. Okay? I always do. This is a good sentence to use. All right, let's change the question. How often do you drink soju? Okay, how often do you drink soju? Some of you are always, some of you are never. I'm going to choose sometimes. So I'm going to say, I sometimes do. How often do you drink soju? I sometimes do. All right. Now, the adverbs of frequency are usually in the middle of the sentence. Okay? But you see these ones here with the star, these ones are in the middle, but also we could use them at the beginning of a sentence. So how often do you drink soju? Sometimes I do. I sometimes do. Both ways are okay, all right? So these are the adverbs of frequency. I know it takes a lot of practice to remember them and use them properly. So we're going to look at a few more examples right now to help you understand them. Okay, let's look at some example sentences. The first one, occasionally I play tennis. Occasionally I play tennis. I frequently swim at the beach. I frequently swim at the beach. Sometimes I go fishing. Sometimes I go fishing. I always have a headache. I always have a headache. My wife usually comes home late. My wife usually comes home late. She almost never studies. She almost never studies. We hardly ever hold hands. We hardly ever hold hands. They often fight. They often fight. All right, so those were some good examples of how to use indefinite adverbs of frequency. Now, they're very useful to know, so you should study them. Now, I couldn't talk about everything in this video, so you need some extra self-study. Learn them, use them. They're very useful to express how often you do something. All right, so that's it for this video. See you next video.